Hello, people of the future. You made it. Good job. If you're watching this, the world isn't over. So we're going to learn how to turn this thing on today. So I'm going to open up the seat. I'm going to switch that switch from tow to run. And now you'll see the key is in the vertical position and the button is out. I'm going to turn that key. And then I'm going to press this button. And it's going to make a clicking noise. And I'll be able to press this gas pedal, and the cart will lurch forward a little bit. Now, this is just a manual golf cart. It will hit things if you drive them into things, believe it or not. Down here, there's a big red switch. We're going to turn that on. And there's going to be a really loud, annoying little beeping sound. And the way we fix that is you take your remote control, turn it on. It's going to beep at you, and the beeping will stop. It's glorious. Alright, so there's a couple things to talk about down here. Number one, that is a steering braking switch. That will give you power to steering braking when you're doing remote and autonomous. We're going to turn that puppy on. Number two, down here, there's this little switch, throttle. It's very tiny, and it's in manual right now. That will let you drive the cart at 12 miles an hour. If you switch it to auto, it will work in remote and in autonomous mode, and it'll be limited to 5 miles an hour. So it's a tiny switch. Right now it's actually over on auto. I just kind of flipped it that way. And then to turn the actual computer on, that's a little power button right there. Press that button, the wind tunnel starts up, and okay. So cart is fully running. Now, wait for the computer to boot up, and we're going to go through the 3 different modes of operation. Oh yeah, that's the e-stop, by the way. You get in trouble, just boop, smash on that, and the cart will stop, and you twist it to release it. That's also forward and reverse. That's reverse. That's forward, just like the labeling says. We're definitely not messing with you. I promise you it goes forward. Alright, so look at this little thingy. Password's in the documentation. You can read that later. We're going to boot up here. Okay, so everything is launched from the terminal. There are 4 main commands you're going to need. So the first one's raw score. It'll be in our documentation. Oops. I hit the wrong button. I'm typing with one hand. This is hard. Alright, so raw score is running. Now, there's 3 other commands, technically, that you should run. They're the 2 DUA commands, and then the last one is going to be start script, which, all of this will be in the documentation. The start script runs a whole bunch of nodes, like 11 or 12 or some number like that, that you don't have to run individually every single time, so it speeds everything up, which is a pretty cool party if you ask me. Now, let's talk about the different modes. So I'm going to launch RQT. You literally just type RQ and T and hit the enter key. And right now I have the mode switcher up. I'll close out of it just so you can see. The way you pull it up is you go to plugins and you go to APM and then you go to mode control, doop, and this pops up. So in manual mode, we can drive in manual. I can hit the gas. It's plugged in. I don't want to hit the gas too hard, and it'll go forward, which is cool. Next is remote mode. It's touchscreen, by the way, which is a pretty cool party. So I turned the steering and braking controlling on. So, and this is me playing with the remote. Right? Brake depress. E-stop is right here. It's labeled, it says e-stop. You press that down, it'll beep at you and the brake will depress. It's a pretty cool party. Pretty depressing though. And then here we have the autonomous mode. So this will only work if you give it a path plan. I'm not gonna click on that right now, but I'll show you how to actually do things. So I'm gonna type in RViz, which is the visualization tool for what we're doing, and this is the map of Unity Quad, and basically what we're going to do is, let's say we wanted to give it a destination to go in. Don't worry about all this stuff. We can talk about that. The red is basically the particle filter, how dense it is. The blue is the laser scan on the bottom. The green is the Velodyne on top. So I'm going to give it a nav goal. I just clicked on this thingy, and I'm going to click and drag in a direction, and then that purple right there, that's the path it generates. So yeah, if I click autonomous, the cart will try and go there and it'll hit things because I'm on the 4th floor, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to close out of that. And then don't worry about the stuff. It's just it trying to do things really fast and not being able to do things really fast because there's stuff in the way. So yeah, the start script will launch everything for you. I have it pulled up right here. Again, it's a bunch of nodes. I think it's like 11 nodes or something like that. I don't remember the exact number, but yeah, that's how you do everything. So good luck.